Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can check your iPhone's location history in just a few seconds, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, select Location Services. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on System Services. Here, you'll find different system-related location settings. Look for Significant Locations and Routes and tap on it. Depending on your iPhone and iOS version, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before viewing this information. Once you're inside, you can see your saved significant location information under the available records. If you want to remove the saved location history, look for the option to Clear History and confirm your choice. This will remove the previously saved significant location records from your iPhone. And if you don't want your iPhone to save this information in the future, you can turn off the Significant Locations and Routes option at the top. Keep in mind that turning off certain location features may affect some personalized or location-based features on your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.